In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at my stationery haul for Archer and Olive and Simply Gilded. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we will be taking a look at the Archer and Olive notebook that I recently got, and my subscription box that I got with Simply Gilded, and some washi tapes that I got on clearance. So I'm really excited to start getting into this. So the first thing I wanted to take a look at first is the Archer and Olive planner I got. So I got it for $5 on their website. They had two different options for a planner, and I chose the Celestial one, and then I gifted my mother one, which was the Bird notebook. And so let's take a look here and see what a $5 planner looks like. It comes in beautiful paper, beautiful box that it comes with. I mean, I couldn't beat the price of $5. They're originally like, I think $39.99. So to get a $5 planner is a steal. So this one is an older version, that's why they were on sale. And it's got the Celestial Sun and Moon, which is actually one of my favorite themes. Reminds me of when I was a kid. And so let's take a look inside of this planner. So it is very pretty. It's got the dot grid to it, and it's got the year at a glance for 2026 and 2027, I believe. No, just 2026. It's got a few blank pages in the beginning of it, and it starts out in January 2026, which is probably why this is, actually it doesn't, it starts back in November of 25. So that's why this is $5. So what I plan to do with it is either make it a junk journal or a planner for next year for 2027. And I plan out to white this part out and then just paste over it with a different printable planner. Same thing with the, the month at a glance, white this out and then put whatever you want on top of it. So it would make a good junk journal. I think it would make a good any time journal. Just put anything in there you want. And so it starts in November and it goes all the way to December. Let's see. Yeah, it goes all the way to December of this year. And I'm using the Hello Kitty Life Planner with Erin Condren right now, so I don't plan on using this year. But, $5 is not bad for anything, especially a planner as nice as this one. So I just plan on going over the dates, putting my own calendar for next year over this one, and then whiting this out and putting my own dates on it. So it's really easy to redo an old journal or an old planner to make it what you want for the next year. So I just couldn't resist it because it was only $5 and it was the Celestial Sun and Moon theme, which is my favorite. So I thought it was really cute and a great deal for what it is. And it's just it's like this faux leather bound, hard bound cover. It's really nice. So I can't wait to use it next year. It's very pretty. And you could even keep regular notes in it if you wanted to. You don't even have to use it as a planner. You could just white it out and use, the pages as regular notebook paper. So I thought that was really cool. So that's what I got from Archer and Olive this week. And the next thing I wanted to show you guys, was the Simply Gilded kit. I've never gotten a monthly box kit before or purchased one, so this is my very first subscription box for stationery. So it was from Simply Gilded, and it's for the month of April, which I'm really excited about. And then I wanted to show you the washi tape that I got. They had a bunch of washi tapes Simply Gilded did on clearance. So I thought we would open this up and take a look at all the different washi tape. So let's take a look. They come with some stickers, which is really pretty, with the little bow. And then a Simply Gilded postcard, which is really cool. I like the fruit theme. Very nice. Put that to the side. Let's take a look at some of this washi tape. So I'm not even sure if I can show this justice on camera, but this is pink and with the gold hearts on it. I think it was originally designed for Valentine's Day. And it is boutique washi tape from Simply Gilded. I don't remember what the names of these are, so I apologize. But I was just picking them out late at night, thinking how beautiful they were. And this one's got the chrome with the purple, which I thought was really cool. And then we have this really cool hot pink, metallic looking. It's got scallops on it with hearts, so you can't really see it in the wrapper, but if I put it down, you'll see it. This one is gingham with the blueberries. This might go well for the month of May for me in my planner. It's got the gold at the bottom of it. And we've got another pink heart with the scallops I was telling you about. And then I've got some Halloween washi that I could not resist. It's got the deco on it with some skulls and stars and pumpkins and the moon, and it's just all ready to go for Halloween, so that's awesome. And this one I think would be a good theme for June, which would be a couple maybe weekly spreads that I could do with the lemons. So there's a lemon here, and it's got the gold with some gold bows around the lemon, which is also scalloped. And it's just really pretty and fun for summer. And we've got a pastel heart, just kind of like the hot pink one, but this one's more pastel gingham with the hearts on it. Perfect for spring. And then we have, this is like a rainbow floral pattern. And it's just really pretty with the bows. It's got silver bows on it. And I thought that was really cool. Let's see. And then I've got a couple more. So I've got 4th of July washi tape with stars on it. And then this one's like an ocean. I thought it'd be nice for June for a couple of weekly spreads. It's got the waves and stars and the moon. And the waves are coming up. So I thought that'd be cool for June. And another red, white, and blue washi. Perfect for the 4th of July spreads that I might be doing. So these were all pretty much on clearance. So I'm really excited to use these throughout the rest of the spring and summer. And then now let's get into the subscription kit I got, which I'm really excited to show you. Okay, so this is the month of April. I think she may have already closed April's subscription box. You may still be able to get this, I'm not sure. But it is the Star Sprinkles theme. And it's just, this holographic card is just gorgeous. And I just love anything with celestial sun and moon on it. So I completely fell in love with this immediately and had to subscribe as soon as I saw it so that I could get this kit. Let's take a look inside and see what we get for stickers. So this is a really beautiful, I'm going to use this all the time throughout the year. It's maybe a page marker, something in my planner, just decoration for my planner. It's just gorgeous with the holographs on it. You got your date stickers, which are really cool. And then we've got some clear stickers with, you know, cupcakes and the clouds and cakes. It's just really beautiful. It's all holographic. It's got all the holographic goodness to it, which I love, and it's purple, which is my favorite color. And then we've got, how many stickers came off, it looks like. So I have to go hunting for a sticker, I think. But it's really pretty. And then we've got some more stickers for the planner. Celestial Celebrations. It's just, I love the holographs on these. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to do a couple planning spreads with this so you guys can see what it looks like on the planner. And they're just, it's beautiful. I just love it. And then it comes with a pen as well. This is a nice heavy-duty metal pen, and it writes like butter, and it's just pink and purple, and it's just perfect for my planner. So I'm going to deck out my planner pretty much pink and purple, I think, throughout the year. And then there's some washi tape I've never played with before. It's like PVC washi tape, and it's got like these stickers that are, you know, kind of see-through. And you just peel them off the washi tape to put on your planner. I've never played with this before. I'm really excited to try it, and I'm excited to plan with you guys with it. And so it comes with a couple more washies. You get extra washies of these two colors and styles with the hearts, purple, and then the cupcakes and the pie and all the yummy foods it comes with. So, and that's what's in this one, is a bunch of washi. It's just stunning. She did such a great job on this one. So I got a ton more washi here that we can take a look at. And definitely check out Simply Gilded. She does a great job with all her washi, all her stickers. I'm very impressed. So I'm really excited to use these different washis. This one has Saturn on it. This one's got the, you know, clouds. Another one with the hearts on it. This one's got decoration where it's purple and like almost like a light purple on top. It's got the sun and stars just dangling off a string. And it's got the rose gold to it, which is really cool. This one's the book version with the rose gold. So if you're a book lover, this one's a cool washi to have. With all the different books that are purple and blue and pink. It's really stunning. I don't even think my lighting can do it justice. And here's another of the food one for the, very cool. So those are all the washes, and so that's what I got. And then we got some glitter in here. We've got some confetti stars that she decorated, and the purple thing here. So I really am really excited to play with this and do a couple of planning spreads with you all for the next coming month or the next coming week. So stay tuned for that episode. And that's all I had for you today. So I just wanted to show you my quick haul that I got for my planning stuff. And let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you guys have a good day. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like more planning content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.